Here's what you need to know about planting up your perennials. Know your perennials. If you're not sure, ask. Perennials like peonies and bleeding hearts do not like their roots disturbed. You want to slide these guys into the ground without them knowing. Bleeding hearts, very brittle roots. The roots on candy tuft yarrow, very vigorous. You might have to break apart with your fingers or score with your hands. Pulsatilla is in bloom. I don't want to disturb her too much as she's blooming. I just want to do some gentle scuffling. When planting perennials, make sure you loosen them from their pots. Sometimes you'll even have to cut the pot out. Make sure your plants are watered. You'll see there's a lot of roots here. You can break apart slightly with your hands, and then you can measure the hole to just check, and yep, that's the correct depth. So you put that in, then you bring some of the soil back in. You snug it in. You can do this same in the ground or in the pot. It's just easier for me to show you in a pot. Make sure once you finish planting, even if the rain is happening a little bit, to give it a little bit of a water, and you're going to make sure to get rid of all the air pockets in the soil. Happy planting. You can ask any one of our team members and we will help you with some more tips and tricks.